Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to block websites on Chrome. So let's get right into it. In your search bar, type in Chrome Web Store. Here, search for an extension called Block Sites. I recommend using the first one that shows up here. Click Add to Chrome. After adding the extension to Chrome, it will take you to this website. So click I accept to continue. Here you can select any of the paid options or you can click skip for a limited plan. To start adding sites to your block list, select add to block list and you can type a website category or keyword. So for example, I'm going to type YouTube and click done. And this is what will show up if I try to open YouTube. So to remove any sites from your block list, come back here and click delete. And if I try to open YouTube again, another way to block websites is to click this icon next to the URL and select Settings. Here, select More Settings and Permissions. So you can choose the parts of this site that you want blocked. For example, I'm going to block images. Then I'm going to open YouTube again. And as you can see here, no images will show up. So I can come back here and allow by default. Then I'll reload it. And it will go back to normal. And those are two easy ways you can block websites on Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Also, don't forget to drop a comment below with any tips, tricks, or questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.